Welcome to Beerstories from Beerstory Brewhouse. This video is about how you use the STC-1000 temperature control. Okay, so you turn the STC on and off by the on and off button, of course. And then you have several functions. If you push up here, you can see the temperature is set to. So this is set to 10 degrees Celsius. If I push down, I can see how much the difference maximum can be. So it's set to 0.5. So my temperature can raise to 10.5 before it starts to cool down. Or if it's 9.5, it will start to heat up. If you push in the S button, like this, you'll get to the functions. Push S again, and then hold S in to actually change the value here. So I set mine to 10 degrees. If I push the on-off button, it will go out of the menu again. And you have to do it this way, even though it sounds unlogical. I can change it to F2, push it again here, hold the S button in, and I can set what the difference max should be. And then there's another very important function here, F3. This is how many minutes between the compressor turns on in the fridge or the cooler here. So I set mine to 3 minutes, and that means the compressor at least has to wait 3 minutes to turn on. And that would help you not to ruin your fridge or your refrigerator or your freezer here. Yeah. The last function, that's just a calibration. So if I know my temperature is off by 1 degree, I can change it in here. And basically that's it. Just remember, if you push in on the S button, go to the menu, push again if you want to change F1, but then you can't just use the arrows. You have to, if you see here, if I go again, F1, push it, and then hold the S button in, and then use the arrows. Otherwise, you won't be able to change the values. Yeah, and that's how the STC-1000 work. Remember to hold in the S button and use the arrows when changing values. You can get really frustrated if you forget that. Believe me, I've tried. But other than that, it's really simple. And basically that's it. If you like the video, please click like and subscribe, and you will make me very happy. If you want to see a video on how I built my keezer, there's a link in the description. If you have any questions at all, please write to me, write it in the comments or elsewhere. Other than that, then just have a happy brewing out there.